Hey, what's up, YouTube? I just wanted to do a quick follow-up video on the leaf removal process and how to make it easy. So as you see, use the typewriter method. Don't go for perfection in the first pass. As you see, there's a fair amount left over, but we're just trying to get the bulk of the leaves in a general area. The follow-up pass will get a significant number of leaves that were left behind. I'm never going for perfection. You can't see this from the moon. So just want to get the vast majority of the leaves off of the lawn. This is a leaf vac that an uncle of mine had purchased years and years ago. He used it quite a bit, and every time that I take it out, it reminds me of him. But now with the leaves in a general area, I don't have to run this machine for as long a period, and I can easily pick up the leaves that were left. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, please consider subscribing, like, and comment. Have a great day.